Master English grammar. Conia. Words and grammar are alive, and language rules maintain harmony. This magical realm is where every sentence ever spoken or written in English has its roots. However, a dark force called the Fragmenter has started to corrupt this world, causing sentences to fall apart, grammar rules to vanish, and communication to become chaotic. The guardians of grammar, protectors of language order, are tasked with restoring balance. Among them is a young guardian named Leo, who has always struggled with understanding complex grammar rules, especially the pesky relative clauses and tricky modal verbs. Despite his doubts, Leo is chosen to embark on a quest to recover the lost rules and save Lexiconia. Armed with only a magical grammar book that guides him, Leo's first challenge takes him to the Forest of Fragments, where sentences are broken into pieces and meanings are lost. To advance, Leo needs to master relative clauses. Sentences like, "The boy which loves reading is smart," need correction. He learns to distinguish between which and who and crafts the correct sentence. "The boy who loves reading is smart." As he fixes each sentence, the forest clears and he moves closer to his goal. Next, Leo enters the Valley of Vague Verbs, where actions lack direction and clarity. Here, he must confront modal verbs, words like could, might, should, and must. Sentences are filled with uncertainty. She might can go, or he must to finish. Leo learns the rules of modal verbs. She might go, and he must finish. By correcting the sentences, the valley transforms, bringing clarity and purpose back to the words. Leo's final challenge is the Castle of Conjunctions, where sentences are awkwardly connected or entirely disconnected. To restore harmony, he must master conjunctions like and, but, although, and because. He finds sentences that don't flow, such as, "She is talented, but she doesn't have confidence, although she practices a lot." Leo learns to connect ideas smoothly. Although she practices a lot, she is talented, but she doesn't have confidence. With each correction, the castle rebuilds itself, shining brightly as it once did. Through these trials, Leo gains confidence in his grammar skills and realizes that understanding the rules is like learning the secret spells that keep the magic of communication alive. By the end of his journey, Leo not only saves Lexiconia, but also discovers his true potential as a guardian of grammar. He returns to his world with newfound skills, ready to help others master the art of English communication. Relative clauses, understanding how to correctly use who, which, and that to provide additional information about a noun. Modal verbs, mastering modals like can, could, might, must, shall, should, will, and would to express abilities, possibilities, permissions, and obligations. Conjunctions, learning to connect sentences smoothly using conjunctions such as and, but, or so, although, because, and since.